Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. To download GitKraken, run the following command. Ensure that your system has the necessary dependencies. Run the next command to install them. Install the downloaded deb package using the next command. After installation, you can launch GitKraken from the application menu or via the terminal. GitKraken will be launched. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.